Hello friends, today I am going to explain you how to extract certain pages from a PDF file. First, you select the PDF file. For example, now I am taking one PDF file, that is 10th Maths lesson plan. I am opening this PDF. In this PDF, you can see that there are 18 pages, and among these 18 pages, out of this I need only some 2 or 3 pages in between. For example, take this one, that is page number 10 and page number 11. After looking through the PDF file, you just note down the page numbers which you want to extract. Here I have noted that page number 10 and page number 11 I want to extract. After noting the page numbers, you just close this PDF, and then in order to extract these certain pages, you need to download a small app called PDF Utility Lite. Download this app from the Play Store, that is PDF Utility Lite. This is the PDF Utility Lite app you need to download. After downloading this one, the app will come to your mobile like this. Remember, first we have noted down the page numbers which we need to extract from the PDF file. Then I have downloaded this app. Launch this app, that is PDF Utility Lite, and select Extract Pages. After clicking this one, there you have to select the file. So my file is in internal storage and download. In downloads, the file in which I want to extract the pages is in 10th Maths lesson plan. So click on the 10th Maths lesson plan. I have selected that PDF file. In that PDF file, I have to extract the page numbers 10 and 11. So many pages you can select at a time, and the page numbers need not to be continuous also. Which page you have to extract, just go on typing that page number separated by commas. Then give extract pages. Open. See, there were 18 pages. In that 18 pages, I have extracted only 2 pages which I was in need. So in this way, you can extract any pages from any PDF file. Thank you for watching.